Hello everyone, this is Voltage Development. So it's been a while. A long while. So, yeah, you read the title in this video that we're going to be taking a look at Godot or Godot Engine. And because I'm so used to the Unity engine, it's going to be very, very weird. But let's go ahead and take a look. Missing project, what? Remove missing, yes, sure, remove all, why the hell not? So, new project, choose an empty folder. Okay, so, wait, do I have a folder? No, I don't have a folder. Okay, fine, create a folder, I'm gonna call this Go.projects, maybe, probably, yeah, sure, why not? Select current folder and then create and edit, sure. Okay, so we have this now. The only reason why I'm recording this is because I've not really used Godot much, like, ever, and apparently it's somewhat kind of better than Unity, which I highly disagree with, but we're gonna take a look at this. So okay, so root node, 2D scene, 3D. Well, we're gonna go for the basics. So we're gonna go for 2D scene, and right. First of all, let's go ahead and do plus, and then we're gonna do a camera because we need a camera to be able to see objects with and stuff like that. Okay, so we've got our camera now, so that's great. Let's just make sure that it's working properly, right? So, you can see the camera sort of move. You know what? Let's put this to like 100, right? Okay, so the camera is moving. Cool EO. So, anchor point, drag center, fix top left. Wait, what? Oh, you could just move it like that. I was not even aware of that. Oops. Right. Okay. So, let's, I don't know, highlight node 2D and then add another thing. Right, so how do we even get the player into this position? Generic position hint for editing. Okie dokie. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff. You know what? Can we just put in, I don't know, player? No. Do we have to create, wait, static body? Wait, what? 2D. Okay, wait, what's this? Wait, this node has no shape. Right. Collision shape 2D as child to define its shape. Okay, yep, sure, I can do exactly that. So, shape 2D, yep, okay, create that. And of course we need a shape for it, so, shape, new rectangle. Okay, done. Cool. So, static body. So we've got collision object, collision. Okay. Input pickable. I don't know what that means. I am so confused on everything. Wait, hang on a minute. So this is our player, right? Maybe. Wait. Can we just get like a, I don't know, just a game object, like a platform? Can we get a we can't even get a platform. Wait, rigid body. Oh, actually, rigid body. Oh, a body that is controlled by 2D. This could be what we need, right? Okay, so let's just get rid of the static body. So, yeah, collision shape. We need another collision thingamajig. So, shape. Nice. Okay, so give that a shape of that. Why not? Okay, so disabled. One-way collision. Okay, so rigid body. We have a rigid body. Okay, so on here we need to maybe do like a spritey thing. Sprite. Where are you, sprite? A sprite. Oh, okay, yeah, sprite. That's good. We've got a sprite now. So texture. Let's just do large image. So that's not a very good image because it's showing absolutely nothing. Icon. Oh, can we? Whoa! Whoa! What the? Whoa! What the? Jesus Christ! That's icon. That's bloody huge. Right. Let's try and put this icon into here. Right. There we go. Icon into there. That's very lovely. So now, can we just wait? Okay, so attach script. Okay, GD. Inherits rigid body 2D. Okay, so creates the GD script maybe. Wait, hang on. What's? Oh, yeah. Do it in there. Why not? Create maybe. Well, GD script. Oh, you've also got Visual Script, Native Script. I mean, there is C# script, but I don't have the right version for that. So yeah, GD script, why not? Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing with the scripts, but called when the node enters the scene tree for the first time. So function ready. Replace with function body. Wait, pass. Okay, so called every frame. Delta is the elapsed time since the previous. Okay, so delta is the elapsed time. That's kind of that's what timed or delta time is on Unity. Right. Okay. So how do I do this? Right. First of all, take that away, and then I guess take that away. Sure, possibly. I don't know what pass means. Replace with function body. Right. Okay. So, I don't know what I'm doing. So, let me just move that over there. I don't know why that's there. No, hang on. Float. Does it allow floats? I don't know if it allows floats. Float. I literally don't even know what I don't know GD script. I'm gonna have to read up on GD script. Okay, so we're starting from basics again because I'm actually following this sort of tutorial on like node structure, and apparently you have to use like either node and then type in area 2D and change the node's name to player, but we can add. Why? Okay, so now we get to the part where it's actually scripting it. So extends area 2D. Wait, what? Okay, let's just go ahead and do touch script. So area 2D, yes. Create. Okay, so we've got to this part. I know this might not be like fun or interesting or whatever for you to watch, but you know what? I'm trying to try Godot or Godot, and I just can't wait. You've also got C#. Oh, C++. Who the hell uses C++ to bloody code? Okay, so we've got variable speed 400, screen size, okie dokie, screen size, viewport rect size, move right. Right, you know what? The whole like function process delta thing and wait, where was it? And function ready thing really sort of throws me off. Like, if you're coming into Godot's GD script thing from Unity's C# scripting, if you can understand any of this and make a game with Godot, then you know what? Good for you, because I simply just cannot even fathom any of this. I mean, the whole like scene thing over here with player collision. How does any of this even make any sense? Like, you know what? No, I'm done. I can't even fathom anything to do with Godot. I'm simply gonna keep with Unity, and whoever can make game projects with Godot, I'm happy for you. I'm just never gonna use Godot ever in my life. So yeah, I am done. So thank you so much for watching, and this is probably the first video that you see on the channel in such a very long time. Yeah, I've been mainly focused on my main channel that, yeah, I've had really no time to make any videos for this one. Plus, I haven't really had any ideas to, like, what to make video-wise for this channel, but I've got this video done, and I've got another idea of a video coming up soon, so look forward to that. But anyway, thanks for watching everyone, and see you all soon. Goodbye everybody.